This is a brief video explaining how to use Profcast. When I open Profcast, I get this Welcome to Profcast window, and I want to create a new recording, so I'm going to click on that. I now get my Profcast box here, and I begin doing my Profcast by putting my PowerPoint presentation, in this case this quality personnel materials, onto my Profcast box in the little white box there, and I let go, and it opens up PowerPoint in the background and shows my presentation. To start recording, I'm going to click on Start Record, which will then open up my PowerPoint so I can talk through it. Now I'm talking about this, and this is what I would do is I would keep talking and click through my presentation. And you can see I'm really not going to say much here other than to show you as I'm clicking through I can talk, and you can see what happens. When I'm done, this box pops up and I end recording at that point. It's a little transparent box, and you want to make sure you click on that, because if you keep talking with that up there, it's going to keep on recording. Once you get to this point, you need to save your presentation, in which case you need to click on QuickTime because you're going to save it in QuickTime format. The default is Podcast Manager, and you're not going to be able to do much with your podcast out of Podcast Manager. So click on QuickTime. The default is an M4A, but I want you to save your augmented podcast as a .mov. So if you click on Format, you can come down to that. You want to then fill in the metadata here. So the title of this is QUAL, Quality PRSONN Materials. The author is myself. University. Class name is EDU 290. Oops, class name is Technology and Education. Sorry about that. And the class number is EDU 290. Okay, so I've got QuickTime Movie. I've filled in the metadata. I click OK. It's now importing the slides into the movie format, and this is where I can give it a name. So I'm going to call it Quality Personnel Materials, QPM, and I can save it wherever I need to save it. And now what it's doing is it's creating the movie for me with my narration and the like. And you can see if I close that, it's saved on my desktop. There is my movie, and if I double click on it, it opens it up and it shows the entire thing as a movie format.